Assalamualaikum friend. Today lesson we learn how to find out or check all possible even number in this given number here. Let's suppose we enter here 10. Press find all possible even number is here. Reset. Enter here another entry 100. Find all possible positive number is here. Reset and exit. Today we learn his program coding. First of all, we go to window R and enter his Excel and press OK. Excel file is open now. Go to developer tab and press here Visual Basic. I go to here is a new workbook project sheet 1 and insert Userform. Increase width and height. Type here 1 text label, 1 text box, 3 command button and other text box for our output result. After inserting all data, press Alt A, Control A and go to font size and press here 3 dots. Increase font size and style. Go to bold and size increase in 12. OK. First of all, press here form. Go to caption and type here even number checker finder and go to label, increase size and go to caption and type here please enter number please enter number which you want to find out all possible even number. Command 1 find caption find other reset and last exit. 2 button is the same coding already in my all previous file is available. Size text box to increase. First of all, we run. See his okay. First of all, press exit button coding. Unload me. Exit. Unload me. User form1.show. Now go to our main button for coding. Find. First of all, we find declare is a 2 variable dim number I as integer z equal to text box 1 dot value. Now we insert is for loop for I equal to 1 to number step 4 divide by number in 2 and text and allow insert is a output. Go to text box, we is missing Now here is a text box. Insert is a list box. Because our list box one dot add items I plus 1 next I. This program is accurately marked. Here is a 10. First of all check. Here is some mistake. I type is a Z as our previous video. No, and change num as we declare the num text box 1 is equal to value. Run program is a type is a 10. Find out values. You can show here if we want to change the text caption change. Press go to here font size bold and type is a 11-12. Okay, press run program and type is a 10. Find reset exit. Now one gain is check 100. Find out all possible positive number is here. Reset and exit. Today our lesson is complete. Now this is just a simple programming. It is humbly request to you kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative and advanced learning VBA, Excel, PowerPoint and other Microsoft tools. Thanks for watching. Let's see in another video.